Hey, how y'all doing? This is Kellen with ZuLand Boerboels. I'm coming at y'all today. And today, man, I'm finna deworm the pups. This is day 3, but this is the first day that I'm doing it on camera. Just to show you, I'm about to use this parental curtail, you know. But anyway, they're right there. So I'm about to deworm them with this. And hey man, we about to get it started. But here we go. It's the first pup. And so I did it according to weight, but y'all had to look at that and see how you do it. This little mother fighting and boo-booing on me.
These puppies are 3 weeks old, and it's very important at this stage that you start deworming your puppies because they can get worms from their mom even before they're born. That's why we don't wait until they show signs and symptoms. You must keep in mind that deworming is a preventive, not just treatment. So that's why we do it at this stage of the game. Puppies also can get hookworms and roundworms, but visible signs are worms in the poop, low energy, and bloated stomach. You also want to keep in mind that a healthy gut is healthy growth.
This is the next one. Like I say, you need to look at a chart. Like I said, I got the information. If y'all go and check, shout out my boy with SSK, Fetty. Check him out, man. He got an ebook, and that's where I got my information from. But anyway, I'm not a vet. Anyway, what is the girl boy? This the boy. He weighed 5 pounds already. He weighed 5 pounds. So 2 down, 1 to go.
I'm using parental. Also, you want to keep in mind that you want to go off weight. Never just guess. It's very important that you go off weight. So for instance, these puppies, the male, he weighs 5 pounds. The female, that's the same color, she's brown. She weighs 4.5. And the brundle chocolate female weighs 4 pounds. Once again, I will reiterate that I am not a vet, but the way I do them is for every 2 pounds, I give 1 milliliter. For every 2 pounds is 1 milliliter. And like I say, once again, I got my information. Shout out to SSK, Fetty. He has an ebook that you all can go check out. Go check him out on YouTube. And man, he has an ebook that's amazing. But anyway, this is where I got my information, and it seems to work for me. You want to make sure that you get a syringe that shows milliliters, or if you know how to convert it, then do it that way. But make sure that you get the medication in their mouth and not on their mouth. Some pups, you might have to pry their mouth open just a little bit until they get the taste. Some pups might fight it, some may be calm, as you can see. Some of the pups fight it, and some of them just cool with it.
This Jenny, y'all, she 4.5 pounds. But anyway, so that concludes, man. She the fuck box. Her and the one you hear crying. But we've been trying to rub them as much as possible, man. Get them used to the human touch. So that's what we've been doing. I'm gonna show y'all exactly what I've been doing to get them used to just getting handled by a human. This is a baby white, and I just been rubbing them down. That's all, just so they can get used to it. Messing with their feet, try to get them used to it early. Rubbing them down, flipping them. Just so they can get used to it. I do this every morning, been doing it about the last week. Just so they can get used to it. Nothing fancy. Just so they know somebody gonna be touching them. They can get acquainted. So, anyway, y'all, just do worm today was day 3 that I wormed. I got 2 more days to go. Like I said, I got my information, man. Shout out my boy, SSK Fetty. You know, I got the ebook from him. And, man, he got a lot of free information on his website. Y'all go check him out. But anyway, I'm gone, man. Y'all like and subscribe. Take it easy.